Friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine now. In this video we compare the price of Stellar XLM the last 3 days and the last 1 hour price we compare in this video. So before starting this video, kindly click the subscribe button right now and complete my request subscriber. Now let's see the price prediction of Stellar XLM in the last previous 3 days and the last hour results. What changes occurred in the Stellar XLM in the previous 3 days? First of all, let's see the 3 days result of Stellar XLM. What's change occur? What's high price of Stellar XLM in the previous 3 days? As you can see here, that's a live price prediction of previous 3 days you are watching now. As we see the graph of Stellar XLM of the previous 3 days, so it's still us the Stellar XLM going upward. As you can see here, the graph tell us that Stellar XLM going upward. So first target is clear. Now let's see the live price prediction, the high price of Stellar XLM in the previous 3 days. As you can see here, the last previous 3 days price is $0.390283 is the high price in the previous 3 days. As you can see now, let's we compare this price with the current price of Stellar XLM price. As you can see here, the current price of Stellar XLM is here. You can see here the current price of Stellar XLM price is $0.387843 as the current price of Stellar XLM. Now if we compare it with the last 3 days price, so it's tell us that compare this and this, so it tell us that in the last period, in the last hour, now currently price is falls down from the previous 3 days result. As you can see here, that's the live 3 days result, that's the live price of 3 day result, high price. And now the current price of Stellar XLM is very less as compared to the last 3 days result. So that's a live price prediction of Stellar XLM. It's clear that the Stellar XLM falls down because their price falls down in the last previous 3 days. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrency.